Good morning, my Form 3 students. Today I'm going to teach you how to write a speech. This kind of question will come out in your paper 2, part 2 writing. Okay, so look at this question. Healthy eating habits is an important factor for one's overall health. In about 120 words, write a speech. Speech means ucapan on healthy eating habits. Now let me teach you how to begin a speech. You must begin a speech with a greeting. What does it mean by a greeting? So you must say good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. Okay, let's say you are giving a speech at night. So when you want to begin the speech, you must begin with good evening. You don't say good night because good night means goodbye. Okay, so since you are the morning session students, so I put here good morning. To to whom? Okay, you are the students. So you have to decide who are your audience. Okay, so of course, as a student, your audience will be the teachers and the other students in the school. Okay, don't forget the principal. Okay, good morning to the principal. Principal means pengetua, teachers, and fellow students. Okay, so in this paragraph, you must mention the title of the speech. So you say, today I am going to deliver a speech. Okay, instead of saying to give a speech, it is better if you say, I am going to deliver a speech on healthy eating habits. Okay, 2 sentences. If you have more ideas, you can write 3 sentences, 4 sentences, but no more than that. Okay, 2 sentences will do. So let's look at the sentences for your first paragraph. Good morning to the principal, teachers, and fellow students. Today, I am going to deliver a speech on healthy eating habits. Okay, Tiga Nilam, we are done with the first paragraph. Now we are going to write the second paragraph using the first point. Obesity. Obesity means kegemukan. Okay, obesity. So what about obesity? So this is the first point. So you may begin with the word firstly. Firstly. So you can start with the obesity rates in Malaysia, because you are the Malaysian, are increasing. Okay, you just expand the words given in the point. Obesity rates increasing. That is not actually a sentence. So the sentence will be, the obesity rates in Malaysia are increasing. Many children and adults. Okay, so many, using capital letter. Okay, many children and adults are overweight. This is because, okay, why do you think that many Malaysians are overweight? This is because they prefer to eat oily and fast food. Okay, firstly, the obesity rates in Malaysia are increasing. Many children and adults are overweight. This is because they prefer to eat oily and fast food. So maybe you can write another 1 sentence about obesity. Okay, obesity can cause diseases like uh, what? Okay, give the example of the diseases because of this obesity. Okay, diseases like heart attack, diabetes. Okay, diabetes means kencing manis, and high blood pressure. Okay, diabetes, kencing manis, high blood pressure means tekanan darah tinggi. Okay, so you need to copy down these sentences in a proper paragraph. Okay, Tiga Nilam. Just now we have already constructed sentences in 2 paragraphs. Now let's go to the next paragraph using the second point, unhealthy food. Okay, what about unhealthy food? Now let's construct sentences using the word unhealthy food. Okay, the example of unhealthy food are oily food and fast food. Okay, so you have to give the example of the food which is oily and fast food. Okay, so let's start with the word unhealthy food. So I'm going to start with the sequence connector in order to. Okay, in order to prevent ourselves from obesity, we should avoid unhealthy food. Okay, give the example of oily food. Oily food such as banana. Banana is good, but when it becomes banana fritters, then it is not good. Okay, banana fritters means pisang goreng, goreng pisang. I don't know which one. Okay, oily food such as banana fritters, deep fried chicken, and potato chips. Okay, so those are the example of oily food. Okay, oily food such as banana fritters, deep fried chicken, and potato chips. Okay, are harmful to our health. It is not good for our health. So you say harmful to our health. Okay, same goes to the fast food. Okay, give the example of fast food such as what? Burgers and pizza. So I just give 2 examples. Okay, so same goes to the fast food such as burger and pizza. Okay, so I put it here so it's easier for you to see. Okay, I hope you can see the writing. Alright, so we have the sentences for the word unhealthy food, oily food, fast food. In order to prevent ourselves from obesity, we should avoid unhealthy food. Oily food such as banana fritters, deep fried chicken, and potato chips are harmful to our health. Same goes to the fast food such as burger and pizza. So you have your sentences already. Okay, next we are going to construct sentences using healthy food, food pyramid, balanced nutrition. Okay, so how to write the sentences? So you can use the word therefore. Oleh itu. Therefore, we must eat healthy food. Based on food pyramid. Okay, so therefore we must eat healthy food based on food pyramid. It will help us to get balanced nutrition. Okay, do you learn science or not? So you should know what is a food pyramid and what are the things that you know when you look at the food pyramid. So we must take more proteins. Okay, like fish and egg, moderate carbohydrate. Okay, moderate means sederhana. Carbohydrate, okay, such as rice and noodles. Okay, bagi dua contoh cukup. Okay, and then what else? Eat less sugar and fat. So that's it. So you have your sentences already. Therefore, we must eat healthy food based on food pyramid. It will help us to get balanced nutrition. We must take more proteins like fish and egg, moderate carbohydrate such as rice and noodles, eat less sugar and fats. If you want to give the example of the food containing sugar and fats also can. If not, you just full stop there. And later you can write the conclusion. Okay, now we need to end our speech by writing a conclusion. So you must begin this paragraph with the word in conclusion. So what is your conclusion? Okay, so we must eat the right type of food in order to be healthy. Okay, so only eating the right type of food, what else that can make you healthy? You must exercise, isn't it? Don't forget to exercise. Okay, so 2 sentences. Or if you have ideas, you can write 3 sentences for the conclusion. 2 to 3 sentences only. Don't write too many sentences. Okay, since this question asks you to write a speech, okay, so at the end of your uh, of your speech, you must have the word thank you. It is compulsory for you to write the word thank you at the end of a speech. You are done. Okay, so now your work is to arrange these sentences into proper paragraph and copy down in your composition exercise book. Bye for now.